All right, guys, DPC, the Pack Cracker here. If you're just tuning in, this is going to be the 2024 Mega Box Panini Prizm box opening. All right, so we got 42 cards total. We got some Pulsar Prizms in there, the pink ones, but we're going to be looking for that Jayden Daniels. You know, I'm hoping for an autograph, but we should get a memorabilia out of this. So I want to make sure it's actually the Jayden Daniels that we pull. So we're going to see what happens. All right, so let's get cracking. Got a pack stuck in there. All right, there we go. All right, guys, we got an empty box. Nothing special behind those flaps. Mega box of 2024 Panini Prizm. Let's go. Zach Charbonnet. Dante Culpepper. Jalen Petre. Got a Drake London Prizm. There's a first pink Pulsar. I don't know, that's just a pink Prizm, I guess. I don't think it's a Pulsar. Love to check it out. Looks like it's a Jordan Travis rookie card. Marshawn Nealon rookie. And then we got the Prizm Portals rookie card of Roma Dunze. All right, Aaron Rodgers. Amon-Ra St. Brown. We got Miles Sanders. Tua Tagovailoa. Aaron Jones, pink. We got Dylan Labe, rookie card. And we got the Ryan Florndy, rookie. I think that's the memorabilia, so I'm going to hold that one off till last. We got Commander, Bobby Wagner, Jimbo Covert, Ivan Page Jr., Joe Montana with the Chiefs uniform. Uh-oh. Pink Prizm of Byron Murphy rookie. Keelan Robinson. And we got fireworks of Laitu Latu rookie card. All right, Phil Simms from the Giants. Bijan Robinson. We got Marv Levy, coach of the Bills. Got a Prizm of Geno Smith. Another pink of Tyler Conklin. Chop Robinson rookie card. We got Jace McClellan rookie. Nothing to write home about yet. Old Mike Allstott. That guy was a beast back then. Saquon Barkley. Go figure. We'll put that one on that pile. Terrell Davis. Luke Musgrave. Pink parallel of Mar Levy. Xavier Worthy rookie card. All right. Then we got Jonathan Brooks rookie. And this is the pack with the memorabilia in it. Let's see if it's an autograph version. All right. DeAndre Hopkins. Reed Blankenship. Evan Ingram. We got John Jefferson. Underneath, we got a Donnie Mitchell rookie. We got a Javon Ballard rookie. And then last but not least, Roma Donze rookie. Got the pink parallel rookie gear. So there it is. That's our major hit for the day right there, guys. Nothing to write home about. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take it easy.